Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top chemicals used in cooling tower water treatment. Cooling towers play a crucial role in maintaining optimal temperatures for various industrial processes. But to keep them running efficiently, we need to understand the essential chemicals used in water treatment. So, let's explore the top chemicals that help optimize cooling tower performance. So let's dive in. Top problems in cooling tower: corrosion, dirt particles, biofouling, scaling. Why do we need cooling tower water treatment? One of the primary challenges in cooling tower water treatment is to preventing microbial growth. Second, controlling scale formation. Third, preventing corrosion. Fourth, optimizing system efficiency. And last is ensuring water quality and compliance. Chemicals used in cooling tower water treatment: Alkalinity Reducer MT702, Scale and Corrosion Inhibitors MT721, Non-Oxidizing Biocide MT732, Biodispersants MT711. First up, we have Alkalinity Reducer MT702. This product helps to reduce alkalinity of cooling water. The purpose of using an alkalinity reducer is often to bring the pH level of water or a solution to a more neutral range. Scale and Corrosion Inhibitors MT721. Scale and corrosion inhibitors play a vital role in maintaining the efficiency and longevity of cooling towers. It helps to extend the lifespan of the cooling tower by reducing metal degradation and preventing leaks or failures. Biodispersants MT711. To prevent the formation of deposits and solids in the cooling tower water, dispersants come into play. Dispersants keep suspended particles in a dispersed form, preventing them from settling and forming fouling deposits. Lastly, non-oxidizing biocide MT732. A non-oxidizing biocide is a type of chemical compound used to control the growth of microorganisms, such as bacteria, algae, and fungi, in various applications, including water treatment systems of cooling towers. And there you have it, the top chemicals used in cooling tower water treatment. These chemicals play vital roles in controlling microbial growth, preventing scale formation, inhibiting corrosion, and maintaining the overall efficiency of cooling tower systems. Mishitech Chemicals makes cooling tower water treatment easy with our water cure know-how and a big line of chemical products. We can assist enhance the overall performance and effectiveness of your cooling towers and major problems associated with cooling water system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.